Hi Raylene and everyone with 120 Electric. This is Rachel. Thanks for clicking on this video. So I'm just going to quickly go over a few things we can do with your website to help you start ranking higher in Google, making the internet bring you guys even more business. So let's get started. I've got your website up here. I like your logo right up here at the top. This phone number could definitely be bigger, but I do like that you've got it up here at the top. I like all of your service pages here. And you can do another call to action too, like click here for a free quote or something like that. As we come down, it looks like we've got your services here. You could move those up here too if you wanted to, just to make sure that as soon as people are scrolling down, they see the services that you offer, and it can take them to the separate page for more information. And then we come all the way down, a little bit more about you guys, it looks like, which is good. A little bit more about your services here. In the footer, we could definitely add some more stuff. You can add reviews down here. You can add reviews on the homepage, which is always great to have. Your contact information, your hours, all of that stuff right down here at the bottom is great to have as well. And I would add an About Us page up here too. So for example, I've got one of your top competitors up here, Dulce Electrical Company. So they've got their logo just like you guys. They've got their phone number really big here up at the top. They've got the different services that they offer. About Us, Contact Us page, this call to action, consult with an in-office electrician free of charge, so that free consultation right there. Different services that they offer, which is you click on those, that's gonna take you to their pages, residential services, commercial, and then down here at the bottom, we've got the link to their reviews and all of that information, that contact information right down there. So that's really great. Now, what Google really cares about is content on your website, and you do have a lovely website, by the way. I like how it flows, and I like the color choices, and it's pretty sleek and simple, which is nice. But back to that content, they want you sitting at that 1,500 to 2,000 word mark. So I did put your homepage in wordcounter.net. This is a free tool, and it looks like you're sitting at about 296, give or take. So you want to boost that up. And then on top of that, you want to make sure that you're getting those buyer intent keywords sprinkled in throughout that quality content. So one of those buyer intent keywords can be Electrician Mesa. And you can do that by putting something up here at the top too that says 120 Electric, Electrician Mesa loves. That's an easy way to kind of sneak that in there too. And then again, sprinkle that in throughout your content, because Google sends crawlers through your website when customers are searching for your services. And if you have the keywords that are matching what they're looking for, Google's going to show that your website is relevant, and it's going to start bringing you up to the top. Now, the next thing that we're going to hit on really quick is called backlinks. Backlink is just a shout out from another website. The tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool. You don't have to use it. There are plenty of free tools out there. So quickly, we're just going to look at your UR and DR. Your UR rating is your trust rating with Google. Your DR rating is your power rating with Google. These are influenced by your backlinks. We definitely want to get these boosted up, so we need to get you more quality, relevant, trustworthy backlinks for sure. Now you can do that. I've got the Dulce Electrical Company as well in Ahrefs, and as we can see, their UR and DR are a little bit higher. The numbers are further apart than we want them to be, so that just lets us know that maybe some of these backlinks aren't as relevant to them as they should be. But you can always explore these referring domains. Those are where the backlinks come from. If they're relevant, if they're trustworthy, get yourself added to those exact same ones. Now, the other thing that we're going to hit on here really quick are these organic keywords. Now, as you can see, they've got about 692 organic keywords. You guys have about 6. So we'll take a quick peek in here. And as we can see, Electrician Mesa AZ has 500 people searching for it per month. If we come down a little bit further, let's see, Electrician Mesa has 150. Mesa Electrician has 150, and you can flip these two because people are searching these in two different ways. So these are things that you want to get added to your homepage, because that's quite a few people searching those keywords per month. So you can explore the rest of the keywords that are in there and find more buyer intent ones that you can add to your homepage as well, and also throughout the rest of your website. Now, this content and these backlinks and these organic keywords are going to affect your organic traffic, and they're going to help you start to rank organically in Google. Now, when I say organically, I mean in this area right down here. You want to be in that first, second, or third position. So the last thing that we're going to touch on here is this area right here called the local map pack or Google My Business. And this is influenced by having a Google business profile. So with the Google business profile, you need to make sure that you have it filled out all the way. So your business's name, address, phone number, hours. You want to have reviews on there. You want to have at least 25 pictures on there. You want to make sure that they're all tagged correctly and saved with buyer intent keywords before you upload them, because Google's crawlers will read those saved names and it will help you rank for those as well. But the biggest way to get here is by having citations, and a citation is just your business's name, address, and phone number listed in a directory. And a directory is just places like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor, things like that. So what I would do if I were in your shoes, I would find out all the directories that my top competitors are listed in, and I would get myself listed in those exact same ones, but I would go above and beyond that. And if they're listed in 150, I'm going to get myself listed in 200, maybe even 250, really blow them out of the water. Okay, so just to recap here, we talked about having that 1,500 words of quality content on this homepage, sprinkling in those buyer intent keywords: electrician Mesa, Mesa electrician, electrician Mesa AZ, those kinds of keywords, putting those in there because people aren't Googling electricians for fun. And this is going to help you rank organically, because when I searched for you guys, I got past the second page and I couldn't find you at all. Generally, people don't even leave the first page to find somebody, so we really want to be ranked right here. And the last thing that we touched on was this local map pack right here, the Google My Business, and getting your citation out there in as many places as you can. I hope you found this video helpful. That's all I've got for you today. I can't wait to hear your feedback. Thank you.